Hi, I'm Julia, and today I want to show you, check this out, my Windows 98 machine is here, and I just had some problems with folders and all that. So I opened folders, when I close them, they're still there, and then the computer froze. I pressed Control-Alt-Delete, and my whole desktop disappeared, except my background, and then a minute later, it came back, and it said a program wasn't responding here. And if I go to Control-Delete, there's only 2 things running, and my system tray is gone. So I don't know what in the world this is about, but look at that. My system tray is gone. Also, I have Explore and Run DLL. I don't know what the problem is, but I'll show you. What did it do to my, what did it do to my computer? Huh? I don't know what it did, but it's all the way up there, huh? Okay, did you just see that? Okay, I opened a folder and I closed it, but it's not there. But if I do Control-Delete, it's there. Now, I don't know what this is about, but oh! There goes my taskbar. Okay, it's back. Now, this machine has gotten tons of errors today, and it's acting stupid. Did you see my taskbar went all the way up there, and I don't know how in the world that happened, but close that. It's still there. Now it's finally at the bottom, and I try and close it. It won't close. Control-Delete. Close program, and it's gone. Let's make sure. Yep, it's gone. Now, that was really strange what happened. I don't know what this Windows 98 is doing here, but let's try and run a different program. Let's try and run Internet Explorer. I don't know if my internet's plugged in or not, but I think it might be. There we go. There's 2 of them. Okay, let's close them. Let's get it out of there. Okay, let's close it. Granny, I'm recording a video. Okay. And shut the door because it's loud out there. Okay. If we go back, it's closed. Now, let's open a ton of folders. Oops. Okay, let's open a few folders here. They show, but would they close? No. No. Down here won't get them. You have to do this every time you open a folder until you restart your computer. And let's see, both of them disappear. Just by closing one, we'll close all of them. But let's give it a little challenge. Oops. Okay, let's give it a little challenge and open 6. Okay, here they all are. And I'm going to close all the 6. And they're still going to be there. But let's try this. 1, we'll close all of them. Okay, so as you see, the system tray is gone. Hello? Okay, we're back. Hold on. Let's close this real fast and then restart the computer. I bet it won't restart. But will it restart? Well, we'll find out. This computer has lasted for 15 years, and it's on its last legs, I'm telling you, because it's not working right. Okay, well, all we get is that. Okay, this program is not responding. Okay, let's close it. My system tray is still gone. Let's look at Control-Alt-Delete, and the same programs are there. So, let's try to restart again. Restart. It looks like this baby will not restart. Well, I don't know why it won't, but the system tray is gone. And that is pretty weird how the system tray is gone. Now, there's my dog Astro. Okay, so close, and it's just gonna go back to normal. But let's try shut down. Okay, well that worked, and that was pretty bizarre how that happened. Now, let's reset the computer and see if it boots. I don't know, every time I want to play a game, it acts up. So, I got a little game to play on here, an old version of Super Claps, the first one. I got that to play on here. Now, I've had that play on there, but finally I got it to kind of work better. It goes slow as heck and you can't move the bars up, so it would be kind of hard to play. But we're going to figure it out and see if this thing boots. It probably will because it has lasted a long time, but that's pretty strange what it's doing. Now, there's my computer there. I'll zoom into the computer. eMachine, eTower 333, Windows 98. Not that computer, that one's my Grim's old one, and that's my dad's work computer. The one that's on the very end. Here. This is my computer. Okay, it looks like we're prompted for password. And let's see what happens. Now, Explorer has crashed how many times? A lot. Now, on this computer, see, lately, today, I got a kernel 32 error on it, and those are pretty bad. Here comes the system tray. So it looks like it came back. And we're going to test the computer once the background pops up here. And we're going to see if it works. Now first let's look at Control-Delete and see the processes. As you see, there's 5 processes there. Before we only had to explore and run DOL. We have those other processes there. Now let's try and run a program. Or let's try and run a few folders and see what happens. No, it may not work right because it's not showing down there, but let's do Control-Delete. This computer might just be messing up. Nope. It's gone. So, you open a folder, Control-Delete, it's running. But I didn't close the folder. Now let's try Control-Delete. It's gone. So I think we pretty much fixed it by the reboot. So thanks. And by the way, we had to restart it from Control-Delete. So yeah. So thanks. Bye.